Adani under fire, US bribery chains and SEBI's role in the spotlight. A storm is brewing around one of India's most powerful business tycoons, Gautam Adani, with fresh allegations of bribery and fraud coming from United States. This scandal has been not only more shocking for the Adani Group, but it has also provided India's market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, with their closest actual opportunity to the hot seat. Now, the case has reached India's Supreme Court, where critical questions are being raised regarding regulatory accountability and corporate governance. A $265 million bribery scam, US court has indicted Adani, 62 and 7 of his associates, among them his nephew Sagar Adani, for allegedly running a $265 million bribery scam. Payments were made in security very lucrative contracts for solar energy in India, which are expected to turn profits worth $2 billion in 20 years. The contracts alleged by prosecutors had been obtained by his going through bribery and fraud practices. In addition to the bribery charges, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has accused the Adani Group and Cyril Gabins and Azure Power Global executives of issuing false statements to secure $2 billion in loans and bonds. The Adani Group has categorically denied all allegations, calling them baseless, SEBI's credibility under question. The fallout back home has reignited fears about the manner SEBI handled earlier allegations against the Adani Group, particularly those made by Hindenburg Research this year. As of January 2024, the Supreme Court had set a timeline for SEBI to conclude its investigation into Adani Hindenburg matter. However, critics charge that SEBI has not met this timeline, which was further eroded public confidence in its capacity to bring powerful corporations to book. The latest plea filed in the Supreme Court demands that the US indictment against Adani be added to the current SEBI probe. The petition questions why SEBI has not furnished any report of its investigation into the allegation and says when the investigation report is not brought on record, it reduces confidence in the regulatory authority. Hindenburg's allegations resurface again. This is not the first time the Adani Group has faced international scrutiny. In August 2024, Hindenburg Research accused Adani of improper use of offshore tax havens and flagged potential conflicts of interest involving SEBI chairperson Badhabi Puri Butch. Hindenburg claimed whistleblower documents tied Butch to offshore funds allegedly linked to the conglomerate. While both SEBI and Butch denied these claims, the allegations cast a shadow over the regulator's impartiality in the Adani matter. The larger implications. The controversy throws up far-reaching implications. For one, it raises critical questions about corporate transparency and accountability in India. It also underscores the role of market regulators like SEBI in maintaining investor confidence. With the Supreme Court now involved, the spotlight is firmly on how India addresses corporate malfeasance involving its most prominent industrialists. The case also has some geopolitical undertones as it captures how international scrutiny can be used to pressure domestic regulators to act. This is further underscored by the involvement of US authorities, including the SEC, in the investigation against the Adani Group's dealings, underlining how global businesses, ethics, and compliance are intertwined. What's next? While the Apex Court is debating the new application, all eyes will be on SEBI to probe its sincerity and fair probing in this matter. Increasing global and domestic scrutiny was mounting pressure on the Adani Group to clear its name. This unfolding saga isn't only about one conglomerate but also pertains to the integrity of India's financial ecosystem. How the Adani Group, SEBI, and the Indian judiciary treat this case would give precedence to corporate governance and regulatory accountability in the years to come. According to legal experts, this is a litmus test for India's corporate oversight mechanism. Will it rise to the challenge or falter under the weight of influence and power? Only time will tell.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.